So Craig, you bought this really cool new GPS solution for your smartphone, and it uses Bluetooth from a company called Rykaline. Tell us all about this. Yeah, what is this?
Well, I mean, this is not new technology. Everybody's been having this. Realtor's been using it for a long time. But the main thing that I've got that has impressed the heck out of me this week is the TomTom. TomTom software is amazing. I thought surely using it on my palm on this screen right here would not be very good. But I bought a little windshield mount that I can stick it on the car right here, and took some trips with it this weekend, and it was amazing.
So this does all of the stuff that you'd normally get in one of these really expensive GPS-only device, TomTom devices, except it's also built into your smartphone.
And it's exactly the same as the TomTom To Go.
All touch
You
screen.
go to Best Buy and you look at the TomTom To Go device, that's $700, the 700 model, the 900 model. The interface, the way it navigates, everything, it's just transferred to your palm, the same exact screen. Since it was made to be on a little box or meant to be on a PDA instead of being on a computer, it's actually easier to look up routes on.
It's all touchscreen based.
Yeah, exactly. You don't have to, I mean, it does work with the Treo keyboard, but you don't have to use the Treo keyboard.
Okay, and so this has a couple of other modes as well. You can do regular 2D top-down modes, which it does some really neat zooming in and out and other things. But I think the killer feature for me is this really awesome 3D mode that shows you what you're seeing ahead of you when you're driving down the road.
I'm tossed about which one's the best. I like the 2D flat because you can see roads around you and stuff.
Maybe you see a little farther, right?
Yes, and you can see a little bit more around you, and it's amazing too, the TomTom, is that it actually zooms in and out on the maps and stuff like that. So like, let's say you're driving down Interstate Highway, the map zooms out and shows you a lot more of the region. But let's say you're in the city and you're going in between blocks in downtown urban area, it zooms in really close and you can see all the surrounding streets and it just labels them as you're driving by them.
And it's smart too, like when you get near an intersection, it knows to zoom in because you're going to be making a turn or something.
And I think it actually bases that off of speed. Yeah, yeah. Wait till you see it.
It's crazy. Sean, Seth, it's awesome.
That's the second time tonight.
I'm sorry.
How do you get us mixed up?
You have S's. You have S's for names. I'm sorry.
I've
known you for how many years?
Like
a decade now, and I still get it wrong. I'm sorry. All right, back to what we're talking about though. Voices.
Yes.
Now it supports all kinds of different voices. Now normally you'd have like just some generic guy saying turn left or whatever, but you could put all kinds of unique voices in there.
TomTom has ones you can buy additionally and stuff, and I've been trying some of them. And the funniest one is probably the Yoda one. Turn left you will. Turn right you will. To your destination you are.
And then like the Picard one says, when you get to your destination, it's like, begin talking procedure, and he yells at you just like Picard would.
Yeah, if you go off track, I think he says something along the lines that you straight into the Beta Quadrant. Turn around.
We'll get some audio of that in the video.
Turn around when possible. Then, at the end of the road, turn left.
So all in all, you think it's a pretty good deal, right?
I think it's a great deal. I'm to the geeks out there, I say I don't. If you're holding off on it like I was for a while, just go ahead and do it. Everybody I've shown it to so far has been blown away. Even the wife was blown away.
Yeah, and it's just so great because it's not another device you have to buy. It's software and that's it.
This stays on your dash. You've got some software that you got to buy. You've already got a PDA device, PDA TomTom. Buy it.